Come on, pick a spot. Water shuttles here, Carnival Conquest. Carnival Conquest, going to the islands. So when you get off the ship, all you gotta do is go get your zone number because you are debarking by zone. Depending on the time that you want to come out, go to according to the announcements, and then you go grab your zone number. Once you hear your zone number called, come down to deck 1, and all you need is your sail and sign card. You don't need to bring your passport out, just sail and sign card and your zone number, and you will be able to get out. Since this is Princess Cay's, so no passport needed. តែពេលយើងជិះកប៉ាល់ Carnival Conquest អញ្ចឹងគឺពេលយើងចុះមកយើងត្រូវទៅយកលេខយើងចាំលេខយកលេខតាមគេឲ្យគេហៅតាមលេខរៀងណាពេលលេខយើងគេហៅអញ្ចឹងទៅយើងក៏ឡើងទូកនេះមកហើយដល់យើងមិនបាច់យក passport យើងទេយកតាកាតបន្ទប់យើងមកអានឹងព្រោះកាតបន្ទប់ហ្នឹងវាមានអត្តសញ្ញាណមាន passport មានប័ណ្ណបើកបររបស់យើងស្រាប់ហើយដល់ហើយយើងបង្ហាញតាហ្នឹងទៅយើងចេញបានហើយដល់ពេលមកវិញក៏ចឹងដែរ Everybody say hello Princess Cay Hello Princess Cay cóនេះហៅ Princess Cay Keys actually yeah We are on our way heading to Princess Cay. Princess Cay is a private resort island owned by Carnival Corporation. It is in the southern part of Bahamas. If you want to have a nice beach day, Princess Cay will be your port to have a nice beach day. You can just go swimming, snorkeling, or just relax. They have plenty of lawn chairs there, and there's plenty of palm trees to keep you cool. ចានៅកោះ Princess Cay នេះកន្លែងវាហាលទឹកវាស្អាតណាស់មើលតែទឹកសមុទ្រចាស់ឃើញថាស្អាតហ្មងបើយើងមិនចង់ធ្វើអីក៏ទៅហាលទឹកឬក៏អង្គុយលេងគេងលេងអាំងថ្ងៃអាំងអីក៏បានដែរហើយផុតប៉ុណ្ណឹងទៅគេរៀបបាយឲ្យញ៉ាំទៀត We're heading down ទៅហើយដល់លេងសប្បាយចិត្តហើយយើង As soon as you get down to the island here, there's a restroom to your right side. There's a first aid in case anybody needs anything. Talk about that, I forgot to bring my own first aid, but at least they have here. ឥឡូវបងមកដល់កោះ Princess Cay ហ្នឹងឥឡូវមានអារម្មណ៍យ៉ាងណាដែរប៉ុន្តែទី1បងដែរមកដែរអត់ដែរសោះដល់ពេលឥឡូវមកដល់លើកទី1មានអារម្មណ៍យ៉ាងណាលើកទី1មានអារម្មណ៍ថារំភើបមានទេសភាពស្រស់ស្អាតពណ៌បៃតងហើយមានឆ្នេរខ្សាច់មិញខ្ញុំឮសូរ snake ខ្សាច់មិញ snake ខ្សាច់ហើយជាពិសេសមានដើមដូងដើមអីនេះព្រោះដើមដូងហ្នឹងអត់ដែរឃើញយូរហើយចាដើមដូងដើមត្នោតនៅខាងឃើញយូរនេះអូខេ bye bye Nancy មានអារម្មណ៍យ៉ាងម៉េចដែរមកដល់ Princess Cay ឃើញបងចូលចិត្តមានអីទៅដែលថាធ្វើឲ្យរំភើបខ្លាំងពេលឃើញទឹកមាត់សមុទ្រស្អាតធម្មជាតិហើយនឹងដើមឈើដើមដូងចាចូលចិត្តខ្លាំងចូលចិត្តខ្លាំងយ៉ាខ្ញុំក៏យ៉ាងដែរចូលចិត្តខ្លាំងណាដែលចង់ធំ Welcome to Princess Cay's CAYS ហ្នឹងហើយ So as soon as you walk off the tender boat, you'll see all these shops just right here. ចាពេលយើងដើរចេញពីកន្លែងទូកដែលយើងចតមិញដើរមកដល់កន្លែងនេះទៅឃើញមានគេលក់ទំនិញលក់អីនេះវត្ថុអនុស្សាវរីយ៍នៅនេះច្រើនចាយើងមិនចាំបាច់ទិញសម្បត្តិទៅណានៅដើរ enjoy នៅនេះក៏សប្បាយដែរចាកន្លែងអស់នេះមើលត្រីឃើញចាហើយវាអត់សូវសម្បូរថ្មចា And then they have water right here as soon as you come out from the ship. Princess Keys. Lời nơi từ chẹn tích nơi cái là dương chi mau nữa, thấy đấy? Là dương chi mau nó khăn nào, là dương mưa mà khăn này. Okay, we're here. So there's a lot of places that you can pick and choose to snorkel. Shallow waters here. I'm not sure about the fishes. Haven't been here before. It's my first time. Nên lực tìm mùi đặc nhau màu tích tiết chăm dương từ đào mà trông bị pro ấy cái mình mà hộp mình ấy là khăn nào. Alright, this is the line in Princess Cay to get our lunch. Barbecue lunch is ready for us.នៅកោះ Princess Cay ឥឡូវមកដល់នេះគេរៀបបាយឲ្យយើងញ៉ាំឥឡូវយើងត្រូវត្រង់ជួរគ្រប់គ្នានេះត្រង់ជួរដើម្បីយកម្ហូប So the line starts here. Long line. Wow. Long line. Set you the way. So 3 lines. 1, 2, 3 lines. It's crazy how they got a station. Hộp. Mơ mới cái miền hộp ấy khác nữa. From this end, mình hộp đôi kia mình hot dog, hamburger, mình salad, mình ấy. And here's all the drinks. Đây là thức nhắm. Rồi trong mà lên Princess Cay sờ bái cái riêng mà hộp hạ ao dương đào lên thì mất thức lên rồi mất lên. Lên tức lên ấy hai màu đó kia riêng cho mà hộp hạ ao nhầm. Now see what's on your plate. Wow, hot dog, salad, variety of everything. Looks like fried rice?
Yes.
Wow, awesome. Thank you for working hard for us. Yeah, hot grill. Hey, thanks to the man, the barbecue man. Alright, bong bong complete mà lên Princess Cay. Bài à, từ điệp bài đi với nhà nhâm nâng krau nhâm ho cha đào lên kia thái chăm dương tới làm cái bao bình. Alright, we're at Princess Cay and the men are gonna be doing a tug of war on the beach. Yeah, nó có Princess Cay là pro kia nâng tiên prot. Tiên prot. Mưa na cái chân nè, cọp na chân nè.
If you're ready, make some noise right now. Come on. So we're gonna count down. We're gonna do after the count of 3. You're gonna go. All right. So in the meantime, come on, let's go. 1,
2,
3, let's go.
Technique. Get up. You okay? It's almost like football. People are landing on you.
No, I couldn't use my legs. I just sat down and just.
Okay, that's part of the technique. You got it. The winning team. Woo! Good job.
The winning team.
Hey, I'm good for the rest of the year.
Yeah.
I'm good for the
One,
rest
two, one. Please stay right in front of
You were not prepared for this. You didn't get to have time to warm up.
Not that.
Oh, no, yeah, I believe it. You were the only girl. I was gonna participate, but then they had enough people. That was good, though. That was good. What's the rewards?
I play it one more time.